Hi everybody, we are interrupting your regular scheduled Monday program for some new releases. Is that too exciting? Am I too much? A little bit too much for myself. But Morphe just sent direct to my home a package. And I know what's inside. Betsy doesn't like me singing. He wants to sing to you. Oh, Morphe. Morphe. Yeah, I can't wait. I can't wait to see what's in this box. Not because I don't know what it is, because I'm so excited. Okay. First, we have the 15H palette, also known as the Happy Hour palette. Not that anybody goes to happy hour around here anymore. Now, that looks fabulous. And it has a full-size mirror on this side. So let's just swatchy a little bit. Oh, there's a red in here called Wingman. That was just one swipe. Yes. There's a color in here called Rooftop. It's an orange shimmer. Very excited. Here's a duochrome called Hotspot. That right there's a look. Just one little look. And then if you want to get brave, you can go out on the outer corner. There we go. Betsy doesn't get the importance of the interruption. Hey, Pickle. Hey, Meathead. Don't act up. Don't act up, Mike. I just threw the box from the floor. Why am I wrapping it back up? Betsy, we are... Betsy? Hey, come here. Oh. Hey. I will put you in the box. Sit down. That's a big girl. Stop it. Leave her alone. Get down here with me. Okay, get down here. Oko, come here. Lay down. Sit. Thank you. Sorry. Betsy wants to be friends with Oko and she's not interested. Alright. Then they came out with the 15B palette. This is the Brunch Babe. No brunches around here anymore either. You can all dream. This is a little pinkier. Pinky. Hanky. I just have so much filming to do. Can you please stop? Oh my god, there's a color in here called Donuts. Like, I don't even care what it looks like. I don't care what it looks like on, but it's called Donuts, and therefore it will go on us. Oh my god, it's like a glazed strawberry donut. Sure it doesn't taste the same. Then we have a shade called a Squad, like the Glam Squad. A little bit frostier. It's got a little shift to it. Oh, white, pink. And then there's one called Bottomless Mimosas. That's right up my alley. We don't even have to go anywhere to have those. We can have them right here. Fabulous. Really like this. Loving this. Then there's waffles. Waffles. All of these are shimmer shades, by the way. That brown is called waffles. And what else do we have? Oh, Sunday Fun Day. I'm in. Sunday Fun Day. It's like a champagne-y color. And then there are some mattes. There's a pink matte called Parfait. That's what that looks like. Oh, ignore my bruise. It's Butsy bruise. I should tattoo it. Butsy, don't do that. No, leave her alone. Okay. Alright. And then, last but not least, the Nudie Patootie palette from Miss Laura Lee. Now, I have to say, I didn't think I was going to buy this. Everybody was talking about it. Everybody? Everybody. This is what it looks like. Oh, MG. I can't stop. And that's what the colors look like. OMG. Are you kidding me? Oh, Lord. Let's get the wipey out and do some swatches. I don't normally swatch stuff. I don't know why I'm so into swatching lately. Okay. What should we do first? There's some very glittery, like, foil shadows. Oh my God, look at that. It's called Jaybird. That one is called Au Naturel. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? Here, I want to see this one down here. It's called Buff. Really? Who said that they don't need this palette? Yes, you need this palette. I'm sure you could argue I didn't need the palette, but I want it, so therefore I got it. The next one is like a satin, and it's called Topless. And that's what that looks like. Oh my God. What are we gonna put over the bruise? What haven't we dug our hands into? Oh, this is called Exposed. Really? It's too much. I think this dark is a shimmer too. It is. It's a white shimmer. OMG, look at that white shimmer. Whites are tough. Tough. Everybody thinks black's the hardest. I think white's the hardest. And then there's this like mauve-y color. It's called Buck Naked. That's what that looks like. I think I've stuck my finger on almost all of them. Look at that. That's called a Strip. Oh, Lord. My fingers will be forever. And then there's this dusty rose color right there. It's called Bear. I'm gonna go in then to some Hanky Panky. There's Hanky Panky right there. It's a dark brown. Butsy, Butsy, Butsy. I said stop it. We're filming. Help me, Jesus. I don't even remember what I've done. Thank you, Butsy. Then there's this like shade. It's called Undressed. You can barely see it. It's a good. Hey, hey, Butsy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And there are 14 shades in here. So let's see if I can do this is streaking. Reveal. I think I've done everything. Maybe not this shimmer. This shimmer is called Uncover. I don't know if you can see that. They're just beautiful. Very subtle. Very just. It's beautiful. Excuse me. I'm trying to film a video. Can we stop it? Enzo. Why do you gotta bark at everybody? This stuff is not hardly budging with the wipe. It'll be baby wipe material. We are definitely doing a look at that this weekend. Nudie patootie! It's the little things in life, you know? So that's the package from Morphe. I'm having a hard time killing my dogs. And then I got another box from HSN. I'm pretty sure I know what this is too. It's just ridiculous. It really is ridiculous. I lost my box cutter. Everybody to stop. Enzo. I'm so sorry, you guys. We're almost done. So, I bought, and we're going to test it out. If it doesn't work, it's going back. But I don't know about you guys, but I hate washing my brushes. So, I bought, it's really not what I thought it was. But we're going to give it a try. I bought a brush cleaner. Because I don't even think I can get them that clean. So, we're going to come back and do a short little demonstration about cleaning the brush. We're going to use a foundation brush. And if it can clean that, it can clean anything. And then I'm going to take the dogs. Mwah!